You went viral on YouTube.
Viral, yeah.
Viral?
Yeah, viral.
How do you feel? How do you
Hi,
feel?
I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been?
Yeah, it's been a while because I took a break from my Cambly for
You did?
because for a month, and
Oh,
the last session was with you, and
it was?
and the first session after the break is today, also with
Yeah,
you.
look at me. Wait, why did you take a break?
I was on a vacation.
Oh,
Yeah,
like you went somewhere on vacation?
yeah, I visited many places. You can
Where'd you go?
imagine. Wow, I visited many places. Like I visited the living room, the guest room, the
Good
bedroom.
luck.
I've been many times in the bathroom. Where should I go with this
I
pandemic?
really thought you went somewhere. I'm like, oh my God, he's vacationing during a pandemic.
We can call it like this.
Okay. Wait, seriously, so you didn't go anywhere?
No, actually, I took a break because sometimes we face difficulties to find a time to practice English or any other things. So I took a break. I was collecting myself. I was resting, and that's a good things that I've done before because I have started my practice English quite a year ago.
About a year ago, you started practicing English, speaking English, you mean? Or
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I took a break to practice more, with YouTube's, with my papers, having exercises. That's a good way to improve my English, and then return to Cambly, and here I am today.
Okay. Actually, I was gonna send you a message because I
Yeah,
heard something and I just want to know if it's like true.
yeah,
In Iraq, do you have like your electricity on for a few hours, off for a few hours during the day?
yeah.
So this is something that's true.
Yeah, this is true, and happen in many countries in Middle East and South Africa, because the
You're
the
kidding.
resource, because the resources are not good for
Would it,
electricity.
oh,
Yeah, that's happened
was it also,
when
it
the
was,
country when the country is going down.
so this was always like this in Iraq. Like you always had power on for
Three
a few hours.
hours. Yeah, 3 hours like on, 3 hours off.
Oh my God, I can't imagine.
But we have
I
like
really can't
big
imagine.
generators. We have like a big generators, so we have
Oh,
like
you've done
electricity.
it.
Yeah, how can we look like this?
I know now.
Yeah, so we have like a big generators give us the electricity all day long.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you do have power all day
Yeah, exactly.
because you
Yeah,
have a generator.
yeah.
Okay.
but
I
but
I
not
just
but not
learned
from
that.
but not
Mhm.
from the government. This is the civilians
Yeah,
generators that we
yeah.
pay extra money, not about the bills that we pay for the government. Also we pay above the bills of the government. We pay the bills to the civilian generators.
You mean like a generator that you buy from like a store and you install it yourself and then you just
No, each
fuel it
neighborhood,
wherever.
yeah, it's hard a little bit. We
Oh,
have like each neighborhood have like not have has. Am I right? Each
each neighborhood
neighborhood
has, yeah.
has a generator, a big generator, and
Ah,
yeah, we can give the electricity.
I
I
I
think I
it's so
I think you have like a lot of Iraqi people now, because
I
this is
have
information
I
that you
have
got
a
from Iraqi people.
yeah, I have 3, including you,
Oh, shame of
Iraqi
Iraqi
student.
people.
I
No,
know,
shame
I
of
know. Where are
them.
you?
Shame of them. Where are you, Iraqi? My community. Where is my people? I can see you went viral on YouTube every time I say I
Fire.
open YouTube. Yeah,
Yeah,
like yeah, Millie here, Millie with Indian people
I'm not,
everywhere.
I'm as shocked as you are. Like, I woke up one day and I was like, what the hell's happening? Like, it was so weird. I'm like, where are these followers coming from?
You know,
It was so strange.
I don't know. I just posted my video conversation with you like a month ago, almost
Yeah,
a month, and
yeah.
I said I wrote on the thumbnails, "Will you marry me?" And
I know.
all people thought that I proposed you. So I
I know.
I was
Come
trying to
on.
tell I was trying to tell them like guys, look at the subtitle. We were talking about the marriage and the wedding
This
days,
is the
but
topic.
from that video, I my channel gained like 2,000 subscribers. Can you imagine?
Bravo. Congratulations.
And the video got like 100 and something views. K.
I know, I saw. Oh, that's something that I wanted to talk to you about
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
There is someone that is like, they're posing as me. They have my picture and my videos on their own YouTube channel, and
yeah,
they keep commenting on your like on your
yeah.
comments. Is there
But
any way you can delete those comments? Just that person.
it's already deleted. I don't know.
Oh, it is?
I was checking the comments and I see
Oh,
maybe Millie she has like two like account on
no.
YouTube. Yeah, but
That's
when I
why I
checked
comment. Mhm.
after that, I saw like he's deleted the comments. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. I wonder if he deleted it or YouTube deleted it because every day, like multiple times, I
Yeah.
was reporting that account.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
then there are like 2 more. So it's very frustrating. Why are you such
I don't
I would never do this to people. I don't know why they're so mean. Imposters.
you know there are many people. There are many people. Some of them like bad people and good people. So you can
Yeah,
control all of them.
I
But
know, I know.
there's an application on cell phone help the YouTube called YouTube Studio. Have you installed
Really?
before? Have you installed
No,
before?
I'm hearing about it for the first time now.
It's very useful if you want to like manage
YouTube
your
Studio.
yeah if you want to manage your YouTube channel and this application measure all the stuff on your channel. So I can see the
What is
progress. I can see the
oh,
progress of my channel. I can see who follow me from everywhere, like Brazil, India. I can see the revenue. I can see like the highlights. Yeah, the highlights of terms of searching, and I saw Millie tutor Millie Cambly.
I know.
Do you know what how many got like in a percent, like 5%, 5%. It's a high it's a
Is
high
it?
number, it's a high number.
I don't know. Is it? I don't know. It sounds low. 5.
No, it's very high because if you search about Cambly you will get like 20%. So it's a big deal.
Oh, Lord. Oh, that is why that.
That's why I said you went viral on YouTube.
Viral. Yeah.
Viral.
Yeah, viral.
How do you feel? How do you feel about that? All about all
Now
these?
I feel overwhelmed. But you know what? If you read some of the messages, like
Yeah.
on my YouTube channel, like if you read like I got marriage proposals. so cute. They're like, I love you. I just want to talk to you one time.
I got like a hundred messages asking me about you, about your Instagram, about your YouTube channel. I said, I cannot give you that thing because it's a private, not public.
I mean, it's really insane. I have like I want to say I gained in like 1 week like 1,500 subscribers, and I don't
Wow.
really, I know, and I don't really have like videos. I just have like
Videos.
old stuff that I
Yeah,
put up
like
from before.
your daily routine. Yeah. You
Yeah,
should
so
start your
now
YouTube channel.
I really want to.
Yeah. All these people encourage you.
I was really considering it before too, but now I'm like, but I can't go anywhere. We're on lockdown in Turkey.
And people ask me about your Instagram. You have to like create a new Instagram for tutoring.
Oh, I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's a
I
good
accepted.
idea. All the tutors
accepted them.
done that.
Oh, that seems like a lot of work.
Sometimes people want to keep themselves private, on the social
Yeah.
media. Like I am two person, real person, and another person, not fake person, but another person in social media, on social
Oh,
media.
mhm.
What
Then
do you
maybe I
think?
made a mistake because I accepted most of the followers on Instagram. I'm just not accepting anyone on Facebook because that's like my real family and friends,
Yeah.
But I did accept everyone on Instagram. I don't know. Should I?
Yeah, because Instagram nowadays it's very common and popular than any app.
I don't know. I don't know what to do. Wait, what was our topic for today? We have 3 minutes left. We didn't talk about anything.
I don't know, the minutes flying.
Yeah. Okay, well, now that you're back on Cambly, I hope to see you more often. I'm going to send you a message actually, because I have a lot of questions about your
Yeah,
country.
I will.
I want-
I have like 3 hours on Cambly for extra 3 hours. So
oh,
do you have a reservation before after this reservation?
after this, I do. After that, I don't. I think I have to make sure. Hold on.
Yeah, well, I will message you.
Okay. Oh, okay. So at 12 o'clock, I don't. At 12 o'clock, I'm free.
Okay. So you have like one reservation for 15 minutes.
After you, I have a 15-minute reservation. After that, I'm free.
I'm pretty sure that reservation Indian guy. I'm pretty sure.
Either Indian or Brazilian or Saudi, usually.
If I guess that, you have to reward me.
I can't say anything.
It's just my luck. I am very lucky with guessing.
Okay. It's probably you're probably right. I don't know. I can't tell from the name, so.
So
Right.
maybe. So am I on your regular student
Yeah.
on your list?
Yeah.
Wow.
You have been for months. Come on, Ahmed.
I am honored.
I'm honored that you guys call me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I will close now because I want to give you 1 minute rest.
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Okay. So see you in 15. Should I wait?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.